Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Got a new customer, needed a factory Tandem Bendix booster. These three are Hemis here. I think it was an original, a wing car or something, but anyway, quite expensive and needs the correct part and top of the line. So there she is, my friend. It's a good unit. We warranted it over pretty well. Cleaned it up, primered it, boot retainer, there's your deal. We'll be sending it out with a little hub cover that you can cover the hub and cover the front seal when you guys paint it black or paint it to match your car. Remember, all these pieces and Hemi units, they were all finished in 70-degree gloss black, pretty close to satin. All these boosters are tested before they get primed, and I'm going to have to test his. I think I'm going to need to steal me a little check valve. Popped it out. Started with the primer. You just never know. But I know one thing. When you bolt it on there, damn sure want it to work, don't you? There we go. Check valve out. Let's check it one more time. Make sure it's got really good smooth power assist and your 2 emergency brakes, reserve capacity if the engine shuts off. So here we go. Master cylinder would be bolted up. Remember, the front push rod of a booster should always have a little resistance on it, or it might pop out. Oh yeah. And if you shut the vacuum off, there's 3. We need to throw some grease on his front push rod. He'd be squeaking a little bit. There you go, my friends. Right there with the palm of your hand. Fantastic unit. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing.